Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, those who are new here, let me introduce myself. Well, my name is Nidhi and I'm a Delhi-based makeup artist. I create videos related to makeup and beauty, and also I have an Instagram page called Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, in this video, I am creating this eye makeup look, and also I am reviewing a brush set which is from Morphe. It's called Morphe Jaclyn Hill eye brush set. So I recently bought this from US, and basically a family member was coming, so I bought a lot of things from Morphe because Morphe things are not available in India. Well, now finally Nykaa has launched few Morphe products on their website, so yes, very happy about that part. Well, most of these brushes are made from natural bristles, and some of them are like a mix of natural and synthetic. I'll talk about each and every brush. There are around 8 brushes in this eye brush set. I've used all these 8 brushes just to show you guys how to use them, the correct way to use it, the correct way to hold a brush, and everything else. So let's get started and let's see what do I think about these brushes. And a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. So let's go. This brush set comes in this little bag, and I love the material and the feel and the color of this bag. I have these 8 brushes. All brushes are individually packed. So you have 3 blending brush which looks like this. So there are 2 fluffy brush and 1 flat blending brush. Well, there is one more blending brush which looks like this. So this bristles a little stiff because this is like for precise blending when you want to create a proper, a well-defined crease. So it is for that. And then you get this flat brush which can be used, to smudge eyeshadow in the lower lash line, or smudge your liner. And then of course this flat brush to place the eyeshadow color all over the lid. Then there are these 2 brushes. This small round brush can be used to highlight the brow bone or the inner corner, even this. And then there is another brush which looks like this. So it's a small flat brush. So this is perfect for highlighting your inner corner. They look absolutely clean and new. So yes, I haven't used them till now. I'll be using them right now. In case if you have this brush set or a similar brush set, you can just create an eye makeup look right now with me. So I'm using this Morphe James Charles palette. This is a mini Morphe James Charles palette. I'm taking this JH30 brush, and I'm taking a very natural color like this, and I'll apply it all over my lid because I have applied the primer. So I just need to set this with either with a translucent powder or a natural eyeshadow like this. So I'm just doing that. I'm taking this brush JH32. It's a blending brush. I'm taking this color and applying this on my crease. Guys, sorry, my video had stopped working and I thought it was getting recorded. So I already did this step, and then I realized that my video is not recording, hence I'm doing it again. So just blending the crease color using this brush, and this brush feels absolutely soft. It's made from natural bristles. It picked up the color very nicely. If the brushes are not good, then you can have difficulty in getting the color onto the brush and then onto your eyes, but this one picked up the color very nicely and it's blending also very well. Now same brush, I'm taking this yellowish color, going on the crease again and applying this color. Okay, so now I'm taking this brush which is JH33. Now this is a flat blending brush. It's also called Universal Blender Brush. Now I'm taking this color, again going on the crease and also in the outer corner. These brushes are really amazing and I'm glad that I bought them. I forgot to mention the price of this set. Well, on Morphe website, this brush set will cost you $69, but I got discount and it costed me $40. So I think it's a great investment. If your tools are not right, your makeup won't look good. I'm taking this blending brush, which is JH40. Now this is like for that precise blending as I mentioned earlier. So I'm taking this dark shade here and now I will just define my crease a little bit here. I think this is just perfect when you want to do halo eyes also. This brush is excellent. I have a similar brush in some other brand and I can actually see the difference. This is much better. Now I'm taking this JH30. It's like this fluffy giant blending brush. Just now going here and above my crease and just blending everything to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I want my outer corners a little more dark, so again I'm taking this flat blending brush which I took earlier, JH33, and taking this dark brown shade and I'm applying it in the outer corners. Sorry for all the drilling noise in case if it's coming in this video. I will try to reduce the background noise, but just that the drilling noise is really too much. It's already 6 o'clock and the drilling should stop, but it's India and nobody follows the rules till the time you don't have to pay for breaking the rules or law. Now I'm taking this flat brush and I'm confused between this shade and this shade, so let's just go first with this one and I'll see if I want to use the other one too. So I'm just dipping it in this bronzy goldenish shade. It's more like a bronze shade actually, and let's apply it. Okay. So honestly, the color is just not coming on the brush. I'm trying to deposit the color on the brush. I'm sure it's not the brush, it's just the pigment. Yeah. I'm gonna use my finger and then apply it on my eyes. This brush is like a mix. It's a blend of natural and synthetic bristles. I'm sure the brush is great, it's just that pigment. I think most of these pigments, they work well when you use it with a finger or when you wet the brush. So I used my finger and applied this color on the crease. So now, since I want my eyes a little more brighter, what I'm gonna do is I will take this small brush. Now this is JH42. So I'm taking this color, this one, taking this shade and applying it in the inner corner. So this will really highlight my eyes. Now comes the part of highlighting the brow bones. I'm using this small brush. This is JH39. Taking this flat brush, this is JH43, and dipping it into my eyeliner. And I'll apply like just a very thin line. The application was very easy again with this brush. I'll apply my lashes and come back quickly. Alright, so I'm back after applying my lashes, and lashes just changed the whole eye makeup game, don't you think so? Let's go on to the lower lashes, and for that I'll be using this brush. I cleaned this brush again, so this is that flat blending brush which I use to apply the eyeliner on top. So I'm using this and taking the darkest shade here, the darkest brown, which is this and this. So I'm going to just mix these two shades, okay, and apply this in the lower lash line. This is how it's looking with this. So if you want like a sharp line, definitely you can use this brush. But we also have this brush in this kit, which is this round brush, right? JH39. Now you can even use this to blend the eyeshadow. Oops, I poked my eyes. All right, so you can even use this to blend the eyeshadow if you don't want that sharp line under the eye, okay? Guys, I've completed my eye makeup and I absolutely love these eye brushes. They are really, really good. I would highly recommend you guys to buy these brushes. It's just a complete set. You don't need any other eye brush to do your eye makeup. You can do any kind of eye makeup with this, be it cut crease, be it halo eyes. You can just do everything with these brushes. I absolutely love it how they feel on the skin. Also, they're very soft, very nicely they pick up the color, and they are very, very easy to blend. Like they help in blending the color very nicely. So I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my eye makeup look also. Well, I'm going out, so I'm definitely going to keep this eye makeup look and this entire makeup. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this. I love you guys. Bye.